Over 80% of drivers are completely missing these game-changing car hacks, and honestly, one of them could literally save your engine from early failure. These aren't your average-use toothpaste on headlights tips. These are clever, hidden tricks mechanics rarely mention that save serious time and money. Stick around for all 15, the last one especially will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Hack number 15. The secret keyhole behind your door handle. Your key fob dies in a dark parking lot, battery completely dead, you're locked out. Most people panic and call roadside assistance, but here's what almost nobody knows. Nearly every modern car has a hidden physical keyhole, right behind the driver's door handle. Look closely, there's a small cover you can pop off with your fingernail or key. Pull out that little metal emergency key hidden inside your fob, and you're back inside in seconds. No $75 service call, no waiting. And it works, even if your car battery is totally dead. Keep that emergency key on you. It's not decoration. Hack number 14. Fix scratches with a Sharpie. That ugly scratch on your bumper or door makes your car look 10 years older. Body shops want $300 or more to fix it. Instead, grab a permanent marker that matches your paint color and carefully fill in the scratch. Let it dry, then buff lightly with a microfiber cloth. From a few feet away, it disappears. It's not permanent, but it stops rust, buys you months, or even years, and costs less than $2. Keep a matching Sharpie in your glove box. Parking lot lifesaver. Hack number 13. Your glove box is a built-in fridge. On a hot road trip, your drinks are warm and your chocolate is melting. Most cars have a secret. The glove box is climate controlled. There's a vent inside connected to your AC system. Turn on the AC and cold air pours straight in. Perfect for drinks, snacks, medicine, or even keeping your sunglasses cool. On a scorching day it can be 20 to 30 degrees colder inside. Free mini fridge, zero extra space needed. Okay, so here's hack number 12. Vaseline for crystal clear headlights. You know, cloudy yellow headlights really mess with your night vision and honestly, just make your car look old. After you clean them, just rub a thin layer of Vaseline over the lenses and buff it off. It actually creates a protective barrier against UV rays and oxidation. And get this, a single $3 jar can keep your headlights clear for months. Oh, and as a bonus, it works wonders on chrome trim and rubber seals to prevent cracking too. Alright, moving on to hack number 11. Transmission shift lock override. Ever had a dead battery and your car's just stuck in park? You can't even push it or get it onto a tow truck. But, if you look near your gear shifter, there's usually a small slot or button labeled Shift, Lock, Release. Just stick a screwdriver or key in there, press while shifting to neutral, and now, your car can roll freely. Seriously, this little trick has saved a ton of drivers from those expensive towing fees. And now, hack number 10. Silence squeaky doors with WD-40. Every time you open your door, it sounds like an old barn, right? It's kind of embarrassing and, honestly, just a sign of wear. All you need to do is spray a small amount of WD-40 on the hinges, work the door a few times, and boom, the squeak is gone. Plus, it cleans, lubricates, and protects. If you do this every few months, you'll actually prevent expensive hinge damage down the road. Hack number 9. The aluminum foil jumper cable trick. Ever had jumper cables that just aren't making good contact? Well, here's a quick fix. Just wrap the clamps with aluminum foil before connecting. The foil fills in any gaps, improves conductivity, and even works when you're dealing with corroded terminals. It grips better and honestly it can turn a failed jump start into a successful one. Plus, it's free and absolutely brilliant in emergencies. Hack number 8. The coin door handle scam. And yeah, you really need to stay alert for this one. Thieves have started using coins to jam your door handle. Basically, they wedge it in so your car thinks it's locked, but it's actually not. So always double check your door handles before you walk away, and physically pull the handle after locking. Seriously, 5 seconds of awareness can prevent a break-in. Hack number 7, heated side mirrors. And honestly, most people totally miss this. If rain, fog, or ice keeps ruining your side mirrors, here's what you do. Check your rear defrost button. On most cars, it also heats your side mirrors. Just one press and they clear up automatically. It's a total game changer in bad weather and honestly a real safety feature. Hack number 6. Clean your windshield with an apple. Ever get that stubborn film, bugs and grease that washer fluid just can't touch? Well, just cut an apple in half and rub the inside flesh on your windshield in circles. The natural malic acid in the apple dissolves grime and leaves it streak-free. Then just wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. It's cheap, chemical-free, and honestly incredibly effective, especially on the inside glass. Hack number 5. Fridge your key fob for extra range. Noticing your key fob range dropping? Pop it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. The cold temporarily boosts the weak battery, giving you that extra range when you really need it most. It's not a permanent fix, but, it can be a total lifesaver until you get around to replacing the battery. Hack number 4. Lint roller interior deep clean. Got dust, pet hair, and crumbs that your vacuum keeps missing? Just grab a lint roller. It works magic on seats, carpets, door panels, and headliners. It's fast, quiet, and you don't need any power. Honestly, perfect for quick cleanups anywhere. Hack number 3. Panty liner air freshener hack. Dealing with a mystery bad smell in your car? Just put a few drops of essential oil on a panty liner and stick it under a seat. It slowly releases scent for weeks, absorbs moisture, and tackles odors at the source. It's cheap, discreet, and, surprisingly effective.